Hey, I'm Derek from Armadillo Composite Decking. Installing decking on stairs requires careful attention to detail and precision. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of measuring, cutting, and installing treads and risers for your stairs. With the right techniques and tools, you can ensure a safe and stylish staircase. Let's get started on building stairs that impress anyone who steps on them. So the next thing we're going to focus on is our stair. We're going to go ahead and match the same pattern that we have for the upper deck and bring it into each tread. As you can see, this one's already done. We've got a lighter colored riser. We've got our darker board for a picture frame. We've got a lighter board inside of that for a tread, and then another lighter colored riser here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is we've already pre-cut the rest of the pieces for this stair tread, and I'm going to lay them out for you so you can see how it all goes together. It's really important to make sure we get these miters nice and tight for a nice clean look. But what we're going to do is we're going to put that lighter colored board inside. We're going to go ahead and assemble our picture frame around it, and then this lighter colored riser is going to go ahead and slip in here on top of that tread. So what we're going to go ahead and do next is have our contractor assemble everything, throw some screws in the tread, and get this all set. Installing decking on stairs requires precision and care. ArmadilloDeck.com provides all the guidance and products you need to achieve a professional finish. Visit our website to learn more and ensure your stairs are safe and stylish. Let us help you build stairs that impress your friends and neighbors.